Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Branded Surveys, and we're going to be showing you a Branded Surveys payout and how you can actually go and get paid out very, very quickly straight to your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's jump straight over. We'll just explain quickly what Branded Surveys is and show you live how you can actually go and get paid out. Okay, so as you can see, we jumped onto the Branded Surveys website, and if you haven't heard of Branded Surveys, they're one of the top survey sites out there. So if you want to go and join, I'll leave a link in the description below here, and you can go and check them out for yourself. But in today's video, we're going to show you how you can go and get paid out very, very quickly, very easily, straight to your PayPal account. So stay tuned for that. But as you can see, we'll quickly run through how you can actually join Branded Surveys and what it's all about. So as you can see here, you can obviously just join with your Facebook, and you can just click on the sign up button here, which takes you through to a registration page. Very, very similar to others. Very, very easy to do. Just enter a few details and then obviously verify your email, etc., and you're good to go. So basically, you earn cash by completing online surveys. Now, there's loads of different survey sites out there, but I've actually found this quite good because, and I'll show you in a minute when we go into the actual dashboard, how easy it is to actually get points, and then those points you can obviously change into PayPal cash. As you can see here, they've got an excellent rating on Trustpilot, 46,000 reviews. So they are a trusted site that you can know that is actually going to pay you out, and you're not going to actually waste your time. So definitely worth checking out Branded Surveys if you want to obviously earn a few extra pound, dollars, whatever, every single month. And if you want to obviously earn a little bit more than that, stay tuned right to the very end of this video, and I'm going to give you a link to another site which you could actually use to go and build up into a full-time income if you prefer. So if you're looking at more money, then obviously you can do that, and stay tuned for that right at the end of the video. So let's jump over to the dashboard. We'll run through quickly and then show you how you can easily go and pay out. Okay, so we've jumped into my dashboard here, and as you can see, I've got 1,388 points that I've got. And these are the surveys here. So when you come into your dashboard, so you can take the survey here, 9 minutes, 64 points, 8 minutes, 8 minutes, and you get various different points there. These change every single day, and even as you go and do it. So I've never really run out of any surveys that you can take. Obviously, with any survey site, you do get some that you are not able to take, or they've run out of time and they've only wanted a certain amount of people taking the survey. And so you get that on every site, but I've found that you can certainly come into Branded Surveys every day and find surveys that you can actually take. You've also got premium surveys here, and you've got profile surveys, which you get for 5 points, different profile things. You can also invite friends. Once they get and become an active elite silver member, you get 50 points. And there's also a daily poll, guys, for 5 points here. How satisfied are you with Branded Surveys leaderboard? And you could just put neither satisfied or not satisfied. Submit it. Boom. There we go. And we have another 5 points into our total. So let's go and redeem our points now and show you exactly how. Now, if you want to know a more in-depth video, I'll put a link to my other video I did for Branded Surveys, which goes into more depth on how you can actually earn points in that. So check that out in the link above here. So before we, so now we need to go out and check how we're going to go and redeem these points for PayPal cash. So we click on my points here, and as you can see, we've actually gone up by another 5 because I've obviously done that quick survey of the day, which is actually every day, the question of the day. So I've obviously selected my payment option as PayPal here, and we've got a button here that says redeem points. So we click on the redeem points. And my current balance, as it says here, is 1,393. And it says here you have to apply at least 500 points from your current point balance to your selected payment method. So if we scroll down, it's telling me here that my points that I've got here, if I wanted to redeem all of them, I would get £10.31, which is about $15 roughly. And as you can see, it says here also you get for 135 points equals £1. So you could quite easily earn £1 a day here, guys. Now I know that's not a lot, but if you $30 to $45 every single month, just for a few minutes, that's not bad as an additional little income. So this is expected to pay out on the 9th of February. We are on the 7th today, so they're looking at 48 hours till it gets into your bank. So you've got a button here, request withdrawal. So we just click on that. And then all it's going to do now is going to send me a 4-figure digit verification code to my email, to my mobile. That's gone off right there. So let's just grab that and we can put that in. And we just click on the verify and submit withdrawal. Okay, and that's it. It's done. It says congratulations, your withdrawal will be processed in 1 to 2 business days. And you've obviously got a transaction ID there as well. Expected delivery date 9th of Feb, which is what it said. And it gives you the amount there of obviously what's been paid. So guys, that's how easy it is to go and get money out of the branded surveys. And like I say, I'm back down to 0 points now, so I've got to go and grab some points again so I can go and withdraw even more cash this month. And like I say, if you haven't already, make sure you check out my other video on branded surveys, and I'll leave that at the end of the video here, so you can just click on it and find out even more about how you take the surveys and that, and other ways you can obviously earn inside branded surveys as well. And remember, I also mentioned about a site where you can actually start earning money and build it up into a full-time income. Well, this is it here, guys, the OLSP system. And as you can see, I've earned over $2,000 with this already. And if you want to know more about this, it's totally free to join. You can get some free training. All you have to do is click on my #1 recommendation link in the description below here to find out more. And this will actually take you to this page here where it actually says, like I say, affiliate marketing training that guarantees you will earn in the next 60 minutes. And all you have to do is put in your primary email address here. And you're taken through to 5 videos, short videos, just about half an hour long. Which will then obviously tell you all about it and how you can actually get started and how you can earn your first money online doing affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about that, obviously just message me if you want, or just click the link below and start your journey and start earning money today. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Obviously, make sure you share the video as well so others can benefit from it too. Also, watch this video next. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.